Down, the sun is out, life is good.
Should I mute here? सब कुछ ठीक है? So hello everyone again. There was some technical problem. We just could solve that mic issue. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm the course instructor for this MOOCs course on natural gas engineering. I'll be live for some times. If you are having any question, query, any doubt in the course so far you had gone through, please feel free to ask in the chat window. Or if you can be on live on this MS team, I would be happy to answer your queries. Thank you. I'll wait for your question as there is no question right now. I'll be waiting in the room to get the question and answer them. As I can see, like there is no question raised so far in the chat window, as well as in the doc file that was shared earlier. There is only one question. That is also about what type of the questions will be there in the exam. So I cannot reveal much of the things about the exam, but it will be very standard MCQ based questions. You don't need to remember very big formulas, but conceptual wise, and then certain small formula, those can be used to solve the problem. With the concept based problem will be given to use the small formula and get the answer. Overall, the questions will be MCQ, all of them actually, and then some theoretical questions, some numerical questions, and some very conceptual questions will be there. You may watch my live session 1 where I discuss in detail about the course content one more time. Although in the course, I discuss at the end of the course in a review class in detail about how each chapter or the video is linked with the other one, and how we had built up the knowledge that is required to understand the natural gas engineering course. We started first with the importance of the natural gas, then its properties, then the production of the natural gas, IPR equation, CPR equation, WPR equation, that all those three equations give the spectrum of how the natural gas from underneath the surface is brought to the separator, that is the first unit at the surface. Then we discuss in detail about the separator design, type of the separator, then followed by different units. Those are installed to purify the gas before it is sent to the end consumer. For example, dehydration process, sweetening process, recovery of the value added component from the natural gas, and finally the methane dominating gas that is sent as a natural gas to the consumer. During this process of sending the natural gas from the production site to the end user, certain compressor stations are required. So I discuss in detail about how the compressor points are installed, what is the length of the pipeline segment where the compressor should be installed, what are the working principle of the compressor, and so on. Towards the end of the course, we discussed different mode of the transportation of natural gas, and in detail we discuss about the transportation by the pipeline, then design of the pipeline, loop, parallel, series combination of the pipeline segment to increase the efficiency of the natural gas transportation by the pipeline. And at the end, we also discussed briefly about various unconventional natural gas resources. With that, I think I winded up this course. Certain numericals were also discussed during the lecture only. So you may use those slides to get prepared for the exam. As I mentioned, you can see the other live sessions that were conducted in the past few years, as well as the live session 1 that was conducted this year. And then I think the slides and then the book reference given to you in the introduction slide could be good enough to get the good score in the examination. With this, I would like to sign out. All the best for your exam. Thank you.